Fellas ready?
Ready to go.
All righty. Kids Reports. There you go.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Lee Fullman. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of KidReports. I have Dan Weaver with me to help with the demo. So how many of you have small kids in childcare? Do you often wonder if they're safe and happy during the day? You hope something like this isn't going on. Or something like this, which would be a shocking discovery. Ha ha. Anyway, so my co-founders and I all have small kids in childcare a couple days a week, and we were sick of getting the pieces of paper every day that tells us what they're doing because we're throwing them out, we're not keeping them, and it's wasteful. So we said there had to be a better way, so we ended up building it. KidReports is a revolutionary communications platform that allows parents to stay connected to their kids when they're in childcare during the day. We allow parents to get updates about their children's activities, along with photos, videos, and short messages. We also allow childcare providers to store all of these records electronically for instant record keeping and reducing the cost of storing and using paper. So now let me show you how it works. What you see here, this is our app that a teacher would use either on an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android device. And you see we have a number of simple features such as record child event, take attendance, record a room event, view edit events, or send message. To start, we're going to take attendance. We click that and we get a list of the rooms in the childcare facility. We'll pick the first one, infant room 1, and here are the children who are currently in this room. So let's say Karen is actually absent today. We'll uncheck her. We'll save that. And as soon as we save that, it sends that event to our server, and what you'll see on the iPad and phone that Dan's holding up here is the alert coming through once the internet starts working. And what that also allows you to do as a parent is you can get updated via text message, iPhone or Android push notification, or email. And as a parent, you can customize whether you want to get alerts every time something is logged or just a daily report at the end of the day. The next thing I'll show you is child event. We'll go into the infant room 1 again. And now we get a list of just the children who are checked, marked for present for that day. We'll pick Liam, who happens to be my son, and we'll pull up the info box, which shows, here's a picture of him, his date of birth, and some other information about him, such as anything that might be important for a substitute teacher or a teacher who may not be familiar with that child. To start, we're going to log a diaper event. You get some standard options, a wet diaper, a bowel movement, applied cream, all the good stuff here. We click next. Now we can enter in notes. We can mark the time this occurred. And as soon as we click save, that sends it to our server, and the parents would get alerted. Going back, we can also record a room event. And this is easy for teachers to do if you have the same thing happening for all the children, such as, let's say they all played outside. So we'll mark play. We'll scroll up on the list. We'll check played outside. You see there's also the option to take a photo or a video. And that would simply attach that photo or video along with the event when it gets sent out to the parents. Now we click save, and now that gets sent to all the parents of all those children. The last thing I'll show you is send message. This is useful if you have a quick message you want to send, such as school's closed, or tomorrow's going to be a fun day, like pajama day. So, for example, let's send a message. So we want to let everyone know that tomorrow is pajama day. As soon as we click done and hit send, that'll go out via the same alerting mechanisms that all the other events go out. iPhone push, text message, or email, or Android push. So basically, there you have it. It's an exciting new service that parents won't be able to live without once they get a hold of, and childcare providers will find that it makes invaluable, it makes their life a lot easier and is invaluable for them once they adopt it. This also streamlines the teacher's data entry, gives them the information at their fingertips, and it allows childcare providers to comply with regulatory issues that are on a state-by-state basis, require them to keep these records, which they're already doing every day. And finally, if we win the $25,000 award, we will look at hiring some part-time marketing and programming help from local universities. Thank you.